us again. Today is Sunday, so it's a perfect time for us to go out to the nature. And we will show you how beautiful nature in Finland look like. Let's go with us. Okay, so it is really easy from city center, or from the railway station center. You could take the metro and stop at the Kalasatama. We will put the name of the station on the screen for you guys to see. And from that corner, that is the metro station. And you could take any exit, or maybe exit A or B, and we walk to here. And now follow with us, and it's really short distance. It is also next to the zoo as well. If you want to visit the Helsinki Zoo or Finland Zoo, you could also go to see the zoo. So let's go with us. Let's go.
So in here you can see that there's the metro will come in there also, and they have some tall buildings around it, and they have a big shopping mall in there. So we continue in this direction, and from here we can get through this pretty new residential area towards the nature. So in here we found also a map of the area. So here was the metro stop that we stopped, and we walked from there till here now. And this is the island that we're going, and in here is the island of the zoo. So yeah, we came from there, and there's the zoo entrance in there, and we go this way. We don't go to the zoo this time, but we go to walk on the nature.
And if you some kind of adventure and you like the height, this is also one of the activities in here that you actually climbing in the trees and those kind of stuff. It's really fun, but I'm not so sure yet. But I want to try it, but I'm still afraid of height. So yeah, maybe at some point, maybe.
Yeah, maybe the highest points that they will go in there is like maybe 5 meters, and yeah, this might be a cool thing to try. Maybe we will try that later on.
If you don't want to take the metro, you could also take the bus to the zoo. The bus number 16 would just pass by us.
Just pass by.
Yeah, the number 16 that you could find straight at the railway station, center railway station. Yeah, so they will take you straight to the door of the zoo. If you want, I would tell you, you should go to the zoo in here. It's so cute, all the animals. It's so cute. But it's the height. I'm a little scared about it. Even we have a port as well. You see the kid? It should be very good to try those activities.
Yeah, and from here I think that we will continue towards there, and we go to the beach, and maybe we go to walk actually into the forest, because now we're still on the asphalt road. These are totally free to use for everyone, and yeah, usually they pretty okay condition from inside. And on this island they also have a bunch of other activities that you can do. There's some basketball fields in there, and also some tennis courts, football fields. But yeah, let's continue the forest.
From the bushes, we can show you later, in August you will see the blueberries. It's actually, you can pick it up and eat. But I'm not really recommend in here because it's kind of near the neighbor. It's a dog pass by and do the duties. So, but if you go deeper in some forest, you see some small bushes. You can definitely pick up the blueberry in here. Let's see if we can find those kind of bushes.
This is a blueberry plant, but they don't have berries now yet, because now it's middle of summer. So they maybe later on autumn will have some berries in there. Yeah, now we go in the nature trail.
What is that?
Yeah, that's funny. I think some kids have built some like a hut for them to play around in here in the forest. It's just a bunch of sticks and yeah, look like that. Have been just building right next to the road. Yeah, let's turn this way and oh, there's kind of
It's pretty high.
big drop from here.
It's really clear water. It's really clear.
Yeah, it's actually pretty clear. Yeah. Actually the water pretty clear, and she said that it's not so cold.
It's not so cold water.
So can I expect that at some point this lady will go to swim at this summer?
Do you know that I live in Finland pretty long time, about over a decade, but I actually never swim in any ocean in here. Any. Because like it's cold in the winter, obvious, and when they change to summer, the water is still cold. And when the water is getting really warm, they will have things that they recommend not to swim under the sea or ocean.
Yeah, they will have a kind of seaweed that cause allergy,
Yeah.
skin allergy, and yeah, when the ocean get too warm, because the ocean salt level in here is pretty low, and that's why this ocean also at winter it get frozen.
You can see there's a boat over there. You can also take a boat tour to the zoo as well from the center. If you don't want to go by bus and you want to see the ocean nearby, you can also take a bus. Bus boat. Boat bus? Bus boat.
Yeah, like a boat bus.
Yeah.
Boat bus to the zoo island. Ooh,
Ooh.
that rock was moving. Gladly I didn't fall down. Yeah, this kind of beach in here. Can you get out?
I'm trying to figure out a way.
Okay, just take your time. Yeah, and she got to the dry land.
Thank you.
Oh, that's what you get when the boat goes past. Here we actually found a raspberry. We have raspberries growing in a forest by themselves. I think I will eat that one. Yep. Found one raspberry. Pretty good. Do you want some raspberry? Yeah? I will pick up one more. Yep. Here.
Ooh, this is truly forest berry. How small it is.
Straight from the forest.
It's sour.
Sour?
But it's really
For
good.
me, it tasted pretty good. Yeah.
In here that everybody have a right to, like, how you say,
is called jokamiehen oikeus, like every man's right, that you can just go to any forest, pick up berries, pick up mushroom, as long as you don't cut down any trees or like that, because usually those are other people's property. But berries and mushrooms are okay to pick up from the forest. Now we're heading straight from the road to the forest. Hopefully we don't get lost, but the island is so small that we cannot get lost. We find a beach and we start to walk in some direction, and anyway we will find our way back to the civilization.
We lost.
We're not lost. I don't know what kind of animals they might have on this island. Really? There's no bears in here. The bears are in the other island, on the zoo island. Maybe they might have snakes.
They have some type of wolf going to neighbors. Yeah, wolf.
Really? There's not gonna be wolves in here. That's just her imagination talking. Yeah, let's go that way, deeper. We're so deep in the forest that they have a bench that we can sit on up there. And here they also have raspberries. There's a bush of raspberries. Yeah. Let's go forward. There's I have no clue that which flower is this. Never seen this in the Finnish nature. Maybe someone plant this in here. I don't think that belong in the Finnish nature. That look kind of tropical plant. But we go up on a hill, and they have some bench in here, and actually some roads also go from here. So, did we get lost?
I don't know where we are, so I bet we lost. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We just came across a deer. Can I zoom this somehow? Yeah. Wow, I didn't know that there's a deer in this. Wow, it's pretty cool. We will kind of move slowly so it doesn't get so scared. Yeah, that's amazing. Never seen in Helsinki so near to the center. Wow, this is pretty cool. I just have to take some photos with my phone also. Can include maybe on the video. There, she's just eating in peace. Now we're back on the normal road. We saw the deer in there, and that was quite a surprise. I haven't personally seen in this near to the city any deer. I've only seen like when we go out from Helsinki and drive with the car. And usually they might have in the side of the roads some deer at the middle of the night, but at the daytime I've never seen so near in the city. But we're kind of lucky to see that. Now we're back on the road near the football fields and tennis fields. Yeah, that was pretty good, cool experience. Or what do you say?
Yeah, it is. Like I never seen like animals, like wild animals that close. I see squirrel, but this is the first time I see deer. It's so cute, and this I think it's a baby. So they look at me, I look at him, her. Oh yeah, we hi. This is amazing.
So we decided to take a little alternative route back towards home and towards the Kalasatama area where we can take the metro near home. And yeah, someone is maybe scared of the rain, start to walk faster because don't want to get wet.
I have an umbrella.
Ah yeah, you have an umbrella. Yeah, but maybe see you on the next video.
Yeah.
So we will end this video in here and hopefully to see you next time.
Yeah, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will try to make more videos like this for you guys to see. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in there. Bye.
Bye.